Point number 8 is managing expectations. Family, as a project manager, as a project coordinator, one of the biggest things you're going to have on your plate is the ability to manage your stakeholders' expectation. They may be up here while you are right here, and they don't understand like why you can't come up to them. Well, because that's not what the project was about. That's probably because we made the decision what the project was about when we were in the planning section and we put our scope together. You remember plan scope management. We collected the requirements, we defined the scope, and then we went and created a WBS, work breakdown structure, and you was all on board. And then we validated the scope, and then now we're controlling the scope, make sure it doesn't get out of pocket. Point I'm trying to make, family, is project managers must effectively manage expectations with stakeholders, because if you don't, both within the team and among stakeholders, what will happen is everyone will be disaligned on what the end goal is.